Echinoidea, known as sea urchins, belong in the phylum Echinodermata, the same as sea stars and sand dollars. They are often referred to as the porcupines of the sea due to their long spines that provide protection from predators. Their second layer of defense is the pedicellaria, little jaw structures attached to their base that release venom. The poison can cause respiratory failure or even death. This venom is what the sea urchin is known for and is referenced in some movies.
That is the devil's urchin.
The sea urchin's hard outer body or skeleton is called a test. It grows up to 3 to 4 inches. It is formed by 10 fused plates that resemble an orange. When a sea urchin dies, all that remains is the test. Holes in the skeleton allow the urchin to extend its tube feet, similar to a sea star's. The tubed feet are used for breathing and movement, controlled by a water vascular system, meaning that the changing the amount of water intake, an urchin can extend or contract the feet to move. Sea urchins can also move around using their spikes and even their teeth. Sea urchin eat using a device known as Aristotle's lantern. 5 hard plates form a beak-like mouth that are used to scrape algae off rocks. The urchin is not picky, eating a wide variety of things like plankton, kelp, periwinkles, barnacles, and mussels. Their eating wears down the mouth plates, so the urchin will grow more to replace old ones. The mouth is located on the bottom of the body, and the anus is at the top where it excretes waste. They are hunted by birds, cod, sea stars, and lobsters. Another threat to the species are humans. Sea urchin eggs are considered a delicacy in most parts of Asia. They live mainly in cold offshore waters. Sea urchins tend to avoid light. The sea urchin of New England will often habitat pools below the low tide line, and the purple sea urchin will live at rock shores. These purple urchins are interesting because they actually show signs of stress if the water they live in becomes too polluted. Their spines will droop and they cease to move. Red urchins are found in the northeastern Pacific Ocean, from Alaska to Baja California. These urchins are found in both shallow and deep waters. The red sea urchin can live up to 100 to 200 years. However, most sea urchins live an average of 30 years. They are sexually matured by the time they are 2 years old. Sea urchins mostly reproduce sexually, but they are also able to regenerate. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning about the porcupines of the sea.